Part A, when is f decreasing? Well, it's decreasing when the derivative is less than 0. So, finding the derivative, the denominator is a square, it's always positive, so our function is decreasing when the numerator is negative. And the numerator is negative for all real numbers. Let's go on to part B. Obviously, we'll look for the second derivative, and using the quotient rule, we get this. For this part here, I just factored out that -1, so we did minus 2x times this. I thought of the numerator as a -1 times 4x squared plus 1, and then -1, change that subtraction to addition. Anyway, in number 12b, it's asking when is this concave down, so the question is, when is this negative? So it's concave down whenever x is less than 0. So the second derivative was this. Remember, if we simplified the numerator, we had just 2x. And so it really simplifies to just 2 over x to the third. And so if we're looking for points of inflection, we want to know when is the second derivative equal to 0. And it's never equal to 0. Therefore, there are none.